The watch face is the most powerful and personal aspect of Apple Watch. Our approach to face design begins with a deep respect for the history of timekeeping. We combine that sense of craft with the powerful technologies and capabilities of Apple Watch to create these new faces. The GMT face shows multiple time zones at once and takes into account where you are. The Count Up face lets you start tracking elapsed time from any given point. And inspired by classic racing watches, the Chronograph Pro face features multiple time scales, including a tachymeter to measure speed based on time traveled over a set distance. In the Typograph face, numerals can be displayed in 3 custom type styles and 4 different scripts. Every combination is tailored to fit the face perfectly. We also collaborated with the artist Jeff McFetridge to create a unique piece of art for your watch. There are millions of combinations, and a different one animates when you raise your wrist. The Memoji face brings your favorite Memoji to your watch. Each one moves and reacts to your touch. And with the Stripes face, you can show your pride in who you are, support your favorite team, or even match what you're wearing. We're so proud to add to the legacy of Apple Watch faces with this new collection.